Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to redirect our users to internal page or external website. Who cares? So before doing that, I want to tell you about generic stuff you can get about your page, like metadata, let's say, path name, actual link and protocol you're using. So that will be just a breeze. So check this out. Document.write. And we're gonna use window again here, like in the last tutorial. But from it, we're gonna grab location option, location of our file, and we demand here path name. So basically, what is the name of our file and where that file resides in our web server, like real location, local location. And let's concatenate that with br because we want to also grab another things, which will be, okay, here, href. So this is full path, okay, full path on our web server, including, well, domain or IP address and including protocol. Well, down there, let's grab that protocol, which can be HTTP or HTTPS. Right, so let me run this and I will save this page as test.html in our web server, of course, root of it. Save and slash and test, and there you go. So see, we have with path name we will get file name, and where is it in our web server? See this slash, that's for my easy PHP dev server. In your case, it can be something else if you're using subdirectories in your web server configuration, but in my case, that's really easy things to see. So href is a full path, basically. We have protocol, IP address or domain, and we have also name of our file. And protocol here will just give you HTTP in this case because I don't have any kind of security here. Right, so that's something you wanna know probably. Let's go and save this as again index.php, sorry, index.html. And let me refresh that. And there you go. Right, so let's go with redirection. Function, we're gonna use function to do that. Function name will be redirect. And operation will be window, location, and assign. So that's basically target definition. Internal page or external web location. So let's say we're gonna go to Google with the protocol Google, and that's pretty much it. So of course nothing's gonna happen here because I didn't call this function. So you can call it down there, or you can call it in a body here with onload option. And I think that we did that in a couple of last tutorials. I think, yeah. So anyway, let's use this option here, like we're gonna directly call it in our JavaScript, well, script. Redirect without any kind of parameters. We don't need it for now. And refresh. And why this thing doesn't work? Let me see. Redirect. Oh yeah, window and not Windows. Sorry about that. Beginner's error. And there you go. Everything works. So yeah. And again, same result. So what is funny here? Let me see. Oh yeah, we can do button. So when we press on it, we will go to specific web page. Let's do that. We will use same function. So button in let's create it. Oops. Input type will be, oh, this need to be like pure HTML stuff. Let me see. Input type equals button. And value, like the thing that will be on a button, like information. So to Google. To Google we go, and on click equals, and we are going to call that specific function up here, from here, redirect, and semicolon to finish our command. And let me see. Right, that's pretty much it. Right, so when I click here, I will go to Google, hopefully. Right, so that works. You can use this in so many ways, but I think that's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm definitely sure that up till now you know how to create functions, what is parameter, what is not, do you need to have it, and how to grab any kind of JavaScript option here and how to use it. So let's actually, change this to something abstract like x here, and here that will be x, and down there we are going to prompt. Yeah, we will ask user where user wants to go. So target, oops, that need to be JavaScript. So target equals prompt, and where to go, and additional information will be target or something, or website name, something like that, who cares. And now down there we will say redirect to target. So now when I run this step, hopefully I will pop up, oops, index.html, where is it? Right, so we have our request. What is location? Yahoo. And when I click on OK, not found. Why is that thing not found? Let me see. Well, probably I need to say here HTTPS and then plus that thing. So refresh. Right, so Yahoo, and come on, man. Yeah, there you go. So I don't want to get into politics here. I really don't have a time to do this. Anyway, so what we have done here, we are using prompts from a couple of tutorials before. We are passing this variable here as a target to our function, so our function can initiate basically that redirection. So anyway, very simple stuff. Well, at least I think that is simple stuff for you right now, because this is almost 40 tutorials. So thank you for watching as always, and see you next one.